What's up YouTube fam? Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be doing some product reviews from Benefit x Ipsy collaboration, which I'm so excited for. Honestly, Christmas came early for me this year, and I will say this is my honest to goodness opinion about these products, the way that I feel. A lot of these I am trying on for the first time, so you guys get to see it with me, see how we vibe and see how we feel. I know for sure with my experience with using Benefit products, they have a lot of great things. So I'm so excited to be able to share this with you, and I hope you like it as well. So if you want to see exactly what I put on my face and what we have going on here, please keep watching. And thank you guys so much always for your love and support. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving and have amazing deals and sales on Black Friday. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell button to be the first to see when a new video is uploaded. Really quickly, I just want to say thank you to Benefit and Ipsy for sending these really amazing products to me. I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited to not only feature it in this video, but to be able to use these products on a day-to-day basis. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys. So first, from this amazing box of goodies, I want to take what Benefit is really known for, their Professional Primer. You probably have seen this bad boy in almost every makeup video that you've ever known. Right off the bat, I love all of the packaging that they've sent. I think everything is adorable. It's absolutely cute, packaged so perfectly, nothing less, nothing more. And I don't know, anytime I try makeup, the first thing that I want to know is, does it smell good? Not that the product smelling good is a huge priority at the top of your list, but it is kind of nice when you have something that is bearable, that doesn't really reek, or like something that, you know, you actually enjoy smelling. Already I can see that this is not a clear primer. It does have a little bit of color, but we'll see how it applies as we put it on. It just feels very smooth, very soft. Smells really great as well, which is a plus. So I am impressed. I like the way that it feels when you can put it on, and literally doesn't feel like anything, so that is really great. So I already went ahead and put my foundation on. So they did give me 2 mascaras to try out. I have brow pencils, brow gel, and a brow setter. So all of this stuff right here. First of all, I will say I'm not a huge brow liner person. I'm gonna gift these, and these will be going to my mom because we literally share everything from clothes to makeup, all of it. So she is so excited to get these. So I have these saved for her. So here we have the Gimme Brow Plus and the 24-hour brow setter. I've heard really good things about the Gimme Brow. So it says brow volumizing fiber gel. Oh my goodness, look at how cute the packaging is. That's adorable. So it looks like this. Has a little applicator right there. This is a 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. This is what this one looks like. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna use it in this video because I'm not planning. A lot of these products actually smell really good, so in case you're wondering why I'm sniffing them. So this is what it looks like. It's definitely a gel. Yeah, so you can brush this on your brows and wear it by itself, or you can set other brow products. And I'm not sure about this. I'm kind of scared to mess it up. So let's just try and start with this little guy right here first, the Gimme Brow, and see where we go from there. Already I can say I love the natural look of it, how it really goes along with my natural brow shape in general, because I'm always going, my go-to look is a natural look, and I'm always trying to, of course, enhance what we have without you know, doing anything extreme because that's pretty much my everyday look. Don't have to try too hard, and I think this is really good for when you're headed out the door. You know, you need a little quick fix-me-up. So this stuff is definitely gonna be a go-to for me. I can see myself using this every single day. So far so good. I actually kind of like the way it looks. What do you guys think? Now I know it's not as dark as how I usually do my brows, which is fine, but I do like this a lot. I really like this, and it's not super, it doesn't make my hair feel like it's all sticking together. It's very natural. Ooh, I like this. I really like this. Now, I don't know if I want to use this. Should I? I'm scared that I don't know what I'm doing. This is the brow setter, so let's try to figure this out. I feel like too much went on my first one here. Hopefully it doesn't like make it look bad. Does it look bad? Well, anyways, this is the good brow. This may be the trial brow. We're just gonna leave it like that for now, but I feel like if you don't put too much on it, it can definitely set your brows for the day. So here we have the Bad Gal Bang mascara and the Roller Lash mascara. So I'm not gonna lie, it is really hard for me to have products and have clothing that I don't want to already use before I film. I have used these both, but I am gonna show you what each of them look like on both sides of my eyes. So if I don't have matching definition and lashes on either side, just know that I will explain the difference. But I am really impressed with the Roller Lash over this lash. Will I use them both? Absolutely, but I think this one is the winner for me. Oh, and so the gel for my brow actually doesn't look as noticeable as a while ago. Okay, curl my lashes, and let's start with the Bad Gal Bang mascara. This is how this girl looks. She comes out like this. So we have kind of like this long extended lash applicator. A lot of the product kind of goes on your lashes more than I would like. Some people may not have an issue with it, but for me it's a little bit more than I feel is necessary, but it's workable, right? Like I would still use it. I feel like I would have to be kind of careful with how much I'm using, just because I don't want to use too much to the point where you can see clumps of mascara, or just you can see a bunch of product build up. So with this lash applicator, it's kind of curved. This is on my left lash, and this is on my right lash. I don't know if you can really tell the difference, but this definitely has a lot more product, and this is like so natural. I love the fact that it separates my lashes easily, and it gives me kind of like that natural falsies look without having to use false lashes. I absolutely love that. It really gives me that full lash effect. I'm able to separate all the lashes where I want them, and they stay in place, and I just honestly, this is gonna be such a go-to mascara for me. I really haven't been impressed with any mascara so far, and I think this is gonna be like my new BFF, honestly. So some people might say I can't really tell the difference, but me knowing and knowing my lashes, I can definitely tell the difference. Those are the difference and takeaways that I see between these two, but they're both really great mascaras, and I'm definitely gonna be using them both anyways. This is one of my all-time favorite bronzers. You have definitely seen this bad boy in tons of makeup and beauty guru videos because it complements so many skin tones. It really does justice for just about anybody, and I remember just hearing it so often that it really convinced me to go get it myself. This is the absolute go-to, Hoola by Benefit. Love Hoola. As soon as I saw this in the box, I was literally screaming from the inside out because this is my favorite bronzer. I hope they never stop making this bronzer because it's such a good bronzer. for any time of year too, not just summer, but also for winter too, if you kind of just like want more color and want more of that definition in the areas where the sun naturally hits your face. By the way, a little does go a long way, so don't use too much, just enough. I mean, just like look at that, hello. What do you guys think? Hoola, hands down, one of their best products. So this one I 100% back because I have used this before they even sent this to me. This is something that I've been using for years, something that I've loved for years. I haven't really found a bronzer besides one that I've just been casually using that really has hit me the way Hoola has, alright? So this I 100% recommend. Last but not least, they did send me a highlighter, which I'm so excited because I really haven't found one that I absolutely love. I don't use highlighter all the time, but there's times when, you know, it's kind of fun to use, and this is like so perfect for the holiday. I mean, like, look how cute that looks. And this is Cookie. It says, a swirl of golden pearl. Stroke this silky fine powder highlighter along the cheekbones for a delicious soft gold shimmer. Now, when they name things like Cookie, I don't know if I'm supposed to eat it or wear it because it's making me hungry. When it comes to highlighter, I kind of like to just use my finger and just do this because I feel like easily you can put too much with highlighter. If it's a good highlighter, a little goes a long way and you don't really need to use a lot. How's that look, guys? Am I shining? Is this glowing or what? I like that. Ooh. Ooh, that's really nice. You're shining. Hello. I can't stop looking at it. I really like that. Wow. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I like it. I like that shining, like glowing type of look. Gives people that like, ooh, double take, gotta keep looking, gotta keep staring, gotta keep shining in people's face. I'm obsessed. Benefit has some really great products, and that's a huge reason why I was so excited. They're such a great brand, such a trustworthy brand, and they have literally spoiled me. It's not even Christmas and they've spoiled me, so I'm super thankful and super grateful because this has definitely been a personal, like an interpersonal goal and dream of mine to work with a brand like theirs. So thank you so much, Benefit, for sending me all of these incredible items. And if I'm doing any more makeup looks in the future or any more tutorials and such, you guys will definitely be seeing these again. These are the products. Let me know what you think.